We'll guide you through how to animate in Blender using the most recent methods and UI elements. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and make sure you're in the Layout workspace. This is where you'll do most of your animation work. Next, go to the timeline at the bottom of the screen, which is crucial for creating animations. To start, select the object you want to animate. You can do this by right-clicking on it in the 3D viewport. Once selected, press the I key to bring up the Insert Keyframe menu. Choose Location, Rotation, or Scale, depending on what you want to animate. This sets your first keyframe. Move the timeline cursor to a different frame, then change the object's position, rotation, or scale. Press IM again and insert another keyframe. Blender will automatically create an animation between these keyframes, which is called interpolation. If you want to smooth out the movement, you can go to the graph editor to adjust the keyframe curves. This allows for more precise control over the speed and flow of the animation. To preview your animation, hit the spacebar to play the timeline. You can adjust the frames per second for smoother playback by going to the Output Properties tab and changing the frame rate. Finally, when you're happy with your animation, you can render it by going to Render and then Render Animation. This will create a video file of your animation. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.